Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE, the luxury SUV that Mercedes says is designed for everyone. Bigger technology, sharper styling, stronger performance, and an interior that feels straight out of the future. This might be the most complete GLE ever made. So buckle up, because the 2027 GLE is bringing serious heat to the luxury SUV world. Right away, the new GLE looks more aggressive and modern than before. Mercedes completely redesigned the front end with slimmer LED headlights, a larger illuminated grille, and sleek daytime running lights with the iconic star pattern design. Around the back, you get new full-width taillights that make the SUV look wider and more premium at night. And honestly, the proportions are perfect. It still has that muscular GLE presence, but now it looks cleaner, sportier, and way more futuristic. Whether you choose the standard model, AMG package, or hybrid version, every trim has a strong road presence. Now, let's talk about the interior, because this is where Mercedes really stepped things up. The dashboard is dominated by the new Superscreen setup that stretches across the cabin with multiple displays under one giant glass panel. Everything looks high-tech, smooth, and ultra-premium. Mercedes also upgraded the MBUX system with faster software, AI-powered voice commands, wireless updates, and smarter navigation. You can literally talk to the SUV naturally, and it responds almost like a real assistant. The ambient lighting is next level too. At night, the cabin glows with customizable colors across the dashboard, doors, vents, and center console. It feels futuristic without being overdone. Comfort is still a major focus. The seats are softer, more supportive, and available with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Rear passengers get more space, improved climate controls, and upgraded materials everywhere you touch. But the 2027 GLE isn't just about luxury. Mercedes made sure there's serious performance under the hood too. The base GLE 350 comes with a turbocharged four-cylinder mild hybrid setup, producing around 255 horsepower, smooth, efficient, and perfect for daily driving. Step up to the GLE 450 and you get the legendary inline-six engine with around 375 horsepower and buttery-smooth acceleration. This is probably going to be the sweet spot for most buyers. Then there's the plug-in hybrid model, combining power and efficiency with over 400 horsepower and improved electric driving range. And for performance lovers, AMG models are expected to deliver massive power, aggressive tuning, and sports car-like acceleration while still keeping SUV practicality. Mercedes also improved the suspension system, making the GLE feel more comfortable on rough roads while staying stable at high speeds. Optional air suspension and e-active body control technology help the SUV almost glide over bumps. Off-road capability also gets better this year. Mercedes added improved terrain modes, smarter traction systems, and better camera visibility for trails and rough weather driving. Technology is everywhere in this SUV. The driver assistance systems are more advanced with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic parking, and upgraded safety sensors. The GLE can practically drive itself during highway traffic situations. Cargo space remains excellent too. You still get a roomy rear area, folding seats, and enough practicality for family trips, shopping, or road adventures. Now, let's talk about pricing. While official numbers haven't been fully confirmed, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE is expected to start around the mid-$60,000 range for the base model, while higher trims and AMG versions could easily push beyond $90,000. But considering the luxury, technology, and performance you're getting, the new GLE looks ready to compete with everything from the BMW X5 to the Audi Q7 and even some Range Rover models. So the big question is, did Mercedes just build the ultimate all-around luxury SUV? Because the 2027 GLE really seems to do everything well. It's luxurious, fast, practical, futuristic, comfortable, and packed with technology. Whether you want a family SUV, a daily commuter, or a high-performance luxury machine, this new GLE seems ready for it all. And honestly, Mercedes may have just raised the bar again. So, what do you think about the 2027 Mercedes-Benz GLE? Would you take this over the BMW X5 or Audi Q7? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest luxury car reviews and future automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.